Yes, she threw the hat. Megan, you are a really good sport. And if all of you would like to see the entire song, we do have it up on our website, InsideEdition.com. When we come back, the crazy weather leads to a really crazy weather guy. We've got video of his meltdown coming up.
Caption sponsorship for Inside Edition is brought to you by...
More people choose Ashley Furniture Home Store than any other store. Because Ashley designed and built it, you get more without paying more. Ashley Furniture Home Store, the #1 name in furniture.
Stay tuned. There's more Inside Edition to come.
Do your contact lenses last as long as you do?
Her eyeballs and everything are twitching.
Through the lens for enhanced breathability. The lens you can survive a long day. Go to AirOptics.com for a free 1-month trial offer.
When you realize that depression has left you nowhere to go,
She's a freak.
you've lost interest